Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Narrator in Windows 11 step by step. Narrator is a built-in screen reader that read text and button allowed on your PC. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Scroll down and find Narrator. Here you will see Narrator. If the toggle is on,
Starting Settings window. Scan Narrator window heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate. Settings window.
turn off
Narrator.
this
Toggle
toggle
switch.
to turn
Exiting
off
Narrator.
the narrator. Also, you can turn on or off by pressing Windows key, Control Windows plus Enter.
Power Toys mouse
Here you
high.
will see
Scan.
it will turn
Narrator
on.
window
If
heading
you
level
can
1.
close it,
Exiting Narrator.
it will be exit successfully. This prevents narrator from launching when your computer starts. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off narrator in Windows 11 quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.